We are in the Kestrel village in Summerlin. This is a far northwest community village in the Summerlin master plan. And we're touring homes today in Crested Canyon. And this is a Taylor Morrison community. And we're here at this model. It's called Beech. And this is an 1813 square foot property. And it is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2.5 baths. And it does have a loft and a covered patio in the backyard. And I'm going to take you on a tour here, 2-car garage. So in this community, they have about 22 homes left for sale. And for this particular model, they actually have 4 of these available, all the way up to $724,000. The lowest priced Beech model available is $656,805. So nice little courtyard here. Always love the courtyard. And we're going into this hallway entrance. With the great room style floor plan with the kitchen, dining, and living room all in one. These cabinets are the extended cabinets, so 36-inch cabinets with the extended uppers. So ceiling, top, countertops, nice backsplash. Of course, those are all upgrades. This is an upgraded stove. And it's got 5 burners, and you have, of course, the built-in microwave. The base price on this particular model is $560,000. However, like I mentioned, they have only 22 homes available for sale, and the models that they have available, actually the spec homes are going to be $656,637 and all the way up to $724,900, which includes a view lot. So these are 8-foot doors, 9-foot ceilings. This is a pantry. Again, the orange peel finish on the walls, 2-tone paint. Here's your powder room, nice size, love that it has a window. Nice size powder room, and off to the side. My favorite things. I'm going to show you the backyard real quick. This is about the average size of a backyard. They're about 3,600 square foot lots. And this particular backyard does have the covered patio that is included. I always suggest that they put in the pre-wire for a ceiling fan, and this backyard is already finished with pavers and, of course, artificial turf and some shrubs and greenery. And that all is extra, that part. But you would get this patio down here. The bottom part, it wouldn't be just dirt. The rest of it would be dirt when you purchase brand new dirt lot, even when you close. I like the way they did the upgraded stair rail. This is an upgrade. This is very popular right now. And of course, the upgraded carpet in this particular model. This has a nice 9-foot ceilings upstairs. This is the loft area. They did the pre-wire up here for a ceiling fan and also extra lighting in here, the recessed can lightings. So this is the primary suite. Beautiful views from this particular neighborhood. Crested Canyon in Kestrel by Taylor Morrison Homes. Primary bathroom. Love the super shower. Did a nice job designing that. So all the homes that are available in here are already all spec'd out, so you really can't buy just dirt. Any home that you purchase in here right now will have upgrades already chosen. Primary suite closet. And of course the toilet. All right, let's go check out the other bedrooms. This is a 2-story home. If it was the Beech Plus, then it would have the 3rd level on it. So this community has 2-story homes and also 3-story. This is the laundry room. You can always put more cabinets up there, but they just offer the shelf. And here is secondary bathroom, double sinks, tub shower combination, and then bedrooms 2 and 3 are right here. Pretty standard size rooms, probably 10 by 10. And bedroom 3. This one's just slightly larger than the one next door. Recessed can lights. Again, these are upgrades. What you see in here, the ceiling fan and the lights, those are going to be, that's not normally included. You pay extra for that. But the pre-wire for it, for the ceiling fan, inexpensive. The can lights, usually somewhere around $150 to $300 for 4. So here you go. And then we have this little closet right here. Linen closet. Very convenient, good use of space. Again, this is the Beech. The base price started at $560, and because we're at the end of the community, it did start out lower than that, but now that we're at the end, the prices have gone up. And if you wanted this one, the best priced one would be $637. So $637,000 for this floor plan. Hope you've enjoyed our tour today. My name is Heather. I'm with the Keys Group Real Estate Team. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tour. Bye.